Hey guys, welcome back to our Texas Homestead. Today we're going to do Mom's meatloaf. So bring it in, we'll get you started and go from there. It's got to be pretty easy, good cheap meal. Something you can actually have for multiple days too. Believe it or not, you can actually make a sandwich out of this afterwards if you want. So we start out with 3 pounds of beef, of hamburger meat. 80-20 is probably your best, gives you more flavor, more juice. 90-10 if that's what you got, or what, 73-8, whatever the other one is. If that's what you got also. You got to drain more of the fat out. So, that's it. 3 pounds of that. Okay. 1 large onion. And I mean good size onion. If you don't like a lot of onion, guess what? You can change it. Make it a little different. Okay. 1 medium to large green bell pepper. Up to you and your size. Me, I like them. I like a lot of bell pepper. So everybody has their own way to make this stuff. And then 2 stalks of chopped celery. If your celery stalks are small, use 3 or 4. If it's a full size celery stalk, go ahead and just use 2. Then some pepper. This is going to be interesting. And some salt. And then mix it all together. I'm missing my bigger bowls. I'm assuming they're being washed. Assuming somebody used them for something. So I have a smaller bowl than I really want. Now, even though you mixed it, your seasonings did not get all the way through, folks. Add a little more salt. Add a little bit more pepper. Not as much as you did the first time, because there is some in it. Just leave it there on top. Now, in a smaller bowl, take 15 ounces of tomato sauce. This is like your tomato sauce. These are 8-ounce cans. So I will leave a little bit in the last one. Okay. And then you're going to take your breadcrumbs, which is 3/4 of a cup of breadcrumbs. And then some onion soup mix, beefy, hearty onion soup mix. You have a choice. You can use 1 or 2 of these. Up to you. I use 2. And all I have is big spoons right this second. Combine all the ingredients. Okay. Now, if you don't have breadcrumbs, hang on. Splash of milk also, guys. If you do not have breadcrumbs, you're out of them. You haven't made any at home yet. You know you can make your own breadcrumbs out of bread that you're not using, right? You can use oatmeal. All right, now take this, pour it over into your mix. And then we are going to combine this again. Yes, I wear gloves because I don't want to wash my hands 3,000 times doing one dish. Combine it very well. Make sure everything gets moved. Now you see why I left the salt and pepper on top instead of mixing it all in again. And you can tell if you've got it combined. Okay, I'm going to show you a spot that I know is not combined. Okay, if you look, you can see it's just nice and pink still like the hamburger is. And you can see over here where it actually has the tomato sauce and everything in it. So, that lets you know you're just not ready yet. This isn't dough, so you can work it as much as you need to. While I'm doing this, what do y'all use to grease your pans? Do y'all use Pam? Do y'all use butter like I do? The main reason I use butter, because one, it's better for you. Pam, or whatever you want to call it, whatever little sprays that you get, if you try it one time, spray it into a pan and breathe in, you can taste the butane that's in it. They use butane in those to for the aerosol to get it to spray out. You know, something tells me butane's not good to eat. I don't know why, but you figure you're using butane in your food, which is truly a fuel. Something tells me it's not a good idea. Take time, get the whole pan, get it ready. Get it buttery. And usually I leave, like I've got this cube of butter. I will save just that cube of butter to grease other items. I won't use it as a cook with, because one, without having to measure it, I can't tell you exactly how much is in it. All right, now take your hamburger, spread it out. Let your dog sniff it. Does it smell good, Wyatt? In case you're wondering about the dog, Xena was our first dog. She is old. She's already 2 years past her average date of, you know, how long they live. The kids like to feed her French fries, so we figure all the preservatives in it are keeping her going. But she's almost 13. They, you know, average dog like her goes at 10. Then we have Wyatt and Virgil. And in the comments, put down there, where do you think we got Wyatt and Virgil's names? So if you made it this far into the video, which I hope you did, where did Wyatt and Virgil's names come from? All right, now take some ketchup. Ketchup is your topper. Now, how much ketchup do you want on it? That's up to you. I'll let that one sit and drain while I go grab another. All right, we're back. Add some on it, spread it out, see how much more you need. I like a lot. I like a whole lot. Now, one thing else I was going to tell you could do, even though you greased the pan, you could add parchment paper to it. It will help soak up some of the fat and also help you get it out of the pan a little easier if you're going to take it out. Just a little trick. Okay, now this is ready to go. I'm going to put it in the oven for hour to hour and a half at 375. Okay, what you're looking for is the brownness that you want on top. Okay, so that's on you. It's your decision on how brown you want it. Now you can always take, if you're worried about it being done, you can take a thermometer, check it, you know, do it to your temperature you want. It's just like cooking a hamburger or a steak. Same beef temperatures, okay? So, see y'all in a little bit, about an hour, hour and a half. All right, just got it out of the oven. It is like lava, of course. Did drain it off some. You're going to need to drain it whenever you get it out. But we'll cut off a piece here and see how it is and let it cool off for a minute. Nice, soft, and as you can tell, very hot. So we'll give it a minute and come back and try a bite. All right, not too terrible to eat, even though it's hot. Super good. You can taste the onion, you can taste the bell pepper, the mix, the ketchup. The ketchup is brown, super nice. Looks like a nice barbecue glaze on it. But super moist. Highly recommend Mom's Meatloaf. Hope y'all enjoy it, and we'll see you next time on Our Texas Homestead. See you then.